I'm not telling you to slow down because I think you're working too hard. I'm telling you to slow down because I think you're working on the wrong things. And there's a generation of leaders out there right now, good leaders, smart leaders, who are burning themselves out on noise and wondering why nothing changes. Busyness isn't a strategy. It's a symptom. It's the symptom of a leader who hasn't stopped long enough to decide what actually matters and cut everything that doesn't. That's clarity. And clarity is the most underrated leadership skill on the planet here.